There are two plane mirrors with reflecting surfaces facing each other. Both the mirrors are moving with the speed v away from each other. A point object is placed between the mirrors. The velocity of the image formed after the nth reflection will be equal to. If I consider two mirrors, let us say it will be equal to m1 and m2. Okay. Let us consider the first reflection. The object is placed somewhere over here at a distance of x from the first mirror. Okay. Let us assume that the first reflection takes place at the mirror m1. Okay. So the image will be formed, originally the image will be formed I over here. Okay. Now when the object is stationary, but the mirror has moved somewhere over here at a distance, the distance over here, let it be equal to y. Okay, let it be equal to y. So the image will be formed behind the mirror. Now the distance between the object and the mirror is over here, the distance between the object of the mirror is x plus y. So the distance between the mirror and the second image, let this be equal to I dash. The second image is formed after the mirror has moved. It will be equal to x plus y. Okay. So in a certain time, the mirror has moved a distance y. Let us see how much has the image moved. Okay. So the distance between the original image I and the new image I dash, the original image I and the new image I dash, now this distance is equal to x. So the distance between I and I dash will be equal to x plus y, okay, this length minus this length. Now this length will be equal to x minus y. So it will be equal to x plus y minus of x minus y. So basically it will come out to be 2y. Okay. So in a certain time t, the mirror has moved a distance y, but the image has moved a distance 2y. So I can clearly see that the velocity of the image will be equal to twice the velocity of the mirror. Okay. So after first reflection, it will be equal to twice the velocity of the mirror. So now this mirror will form an object for the second mirror, which has also moved a distance of y. Okay, since the velocity of both of them is same, so it has also moved the distance y in the same time t. So I can say that again this image, the image will be formed on the other side of this mirror. The other side of this mirror, the image will be very far away, and the velocity, since the velocity of the mirror is v, the distance of the second image will be 2 times the velocity of the mirror. So after, now this is after first reflection. So after second reflection it will be 2 times Vm. After third reflection it will be equal to, again 2 times will be multiplied, and so on. Okay. So basically I can say that the velocity of the mirror after n number of reflections, okay, after n number of reflections will be equal to 2n into v, which is option number B.